Hello everyone, hi, this is Samyukta. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different outfits which I ordered online recently. Online shopping is not really my thing. I can never do online shopping. For me, it's always about going to the store, seeing the stuff through my eyes, feeling them, wearing them, and if that particular stuff is resonating with me and if it is flattening my body type, then only I can make up my mind on buying the stuff. So it's kind of my thing, but this time I tried ordering online. I did end up getting some good stuff. That's what I'm going to show you today. So let's begin. This is my first outfit. Here I'm wearing green and black combination crop top, which is also an off-shoulder top. You can see the back here. I like off-shoulder and crop tops during the summer. It looks really good and gives you that summery vibe. And here in this one, I particularly like the color combination, and it really goes well with this black denim distressed shorts. You can see I'm pairing it up with the white loafers here. It's a really cool color combination going on in here, and this both top and shorts are from Urbanic Fashion. I never ordered Urbanic Fashion before. This is my first experience. I would say I ended up getting the cool stuff. This is really cool. This is my second outfit. Here I'm wearing dark green crop top, which has this little tie down at the end of this top, and also is quite oversized with a V-neck. I like the V-neck idea with this loose fitting. This quite loose, you can see here. This is from Forever 21. It's really cool. Most of the time their fabrics are not so great, but this time I ended up getting this really cool top. And this top is really goes well with this denim distressed shorts as well. I'm pairing it up with the white sneakers here. It kind of gives you again that summery vibe. I like that about this outfit. This is my third outfit. Here I'm wearing the blue and white combination polka dot long dress. Polka dots never been my thing. This is my first polka dot dress, but I really love this dress because it really fits well. And see the back, like it has open back, adjustable straps, and gives you really that feminine girly look, which is good. And also this doesn't have the lining, but the material is so good that it doesn't need lining, and it's not even see-through. It's a pretty dress. This dress is from the brand called 20 Dresses. Again, I never bought anything from them before. This is my first order from them. I really like this dress. I mean, kind of, you can wear this dress with a flip-flop, I mean, to the beach as well. Like, it's kind of makes sense, right? This is my fourth and last outfit of the video. Here I am again wearing blue and white combination striped long dress. What I like about this dress is this way the stripes are running through the dress, which is vertical. Always vertical stripes make you look taller, and also it has this cool slit in the front. I like the material as well. Most I like about this dress is the back. Look at the back, how cool that is, right? This has this tie down. You can make a bow, and sleek, super cute back, and adjustable strap in the back as well. Like, one thing about this dress, you can't wear this dress with a regular bra. You have to wear stick-on bra for this, so that you can flaunt your that detailing back. It's really cool. This is my favorite of all the things which I bought so far online. This outfit is also from Urbanic Fashion. All the outfits which I wore in today's video are in size small. If you want to know more about these outfits, I'll leave all the details in my description box so that you can check it out later. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more videos on food, fashion and fitness. Till next video, take care. Bye bye. Love you.